To compare the two big numbers, let's consider the quotient. So 2022 to the power of 2022 over 2021 to the power of 2023. We can write as 2022 to the power of 2022 over 2021 to the power of 2022, and then times 1 over 2021. Using exponent rule, we can write as 2022 over 2021 to the power of 2022 times 1 over 2021. We can write the first factor as two factors. So we get the first part has 2019 factors. The second part has 3 factors times 1 over 2021. So we write that as 2022 over 2021. The first part, we write a fraction as 1 plus 1 over 2021. For the 2019 factors, let's one by one to consider. So for the first factor, it is less than 1 plus 1 over 2, right? For the second factor, it is less than 1 plus 1 over 3. For the third factor, it is less than 1 plus 1 over 4. Continue this way. The 2019 factor should be less than 1 plus 1 over 2020. Okay, so for this one, we can write as 2022 cubed over 2021 cubed times 1 over 2021. Now the first factor is 3 over 2. The second factor, 4 over 3. The third factor, 5 over 4. Keep this way. The 2019 factor should be 2021 over 2020. And here we can write as 2021 plus 1 to the power of 3, the bottom, 2021 cubed times 1 over 2021. So you see, we can cancel 3, we can cancel 4, 5, right? Until we cancel 2020. But we can also cancel 2021 on top and on bottom. So we only have 1 over 2 for this part. And for the second part, the bottom still 2021 cube. But for the top, we can apply the whole cube formula. So we get 2021 cube plus 3 times 2021 squared times 1 plus 3 times 2021 times 1 squared, still 1. Finally, plus 1. So you see the last return, the sum of them is less than 2021 to the power of 3. So we can write as less than 1 over 2, the bottom, 2021 cube. So that one's less than, okay, so 2021 cube plus 2021 cube. Okay, so you see that's one we can write as 2 times 2021 cube, the bottom, also 2 times 2021 cube. So the quotient is 1. Because the quotient less than 1, that means the top 2022 to the power of 2022 less than the bottom 2021 to the power of 2023. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.